You okay? You okay? Are you connected? It's gone off again. Should we go out this way this time, and then we can come round. Do you want me to go first, or do you want to go first? Watch me tyres, Simon. I said watch me tyres, Simon. You're clear, baby. Oh. No. I stalled it. Like an idiot. I don't normally stall my bike. Obviously not concentrating enough. You want some with your mirror? Oh, it's knocked it out of line. Does it want tightening up? You know, on the stem, I'll tighten it up for you when I get back. I'll tighten it up when I get back. You alright? Can't. Oh. I wouldn't mind going to Lincoln to have a look at the boats and stuff. Well, no, we'll go to Boston first, can't we? But I don't know if you're allowed to park down near the boats. That's what I'm trying to think. No, this is the problem. They've got quite an awkward thing to do, haven't they? No, I'm in the centre of Lincoln. I was, you know, the long boats, the narrow boats. Just to see, you know, for our future, and we decide what we're going to do, whether we're going to go down that route or the other route. Trouble is getting land's a bit difficult. No. Right, shall we go and have a look at the Boston shop then? Well, the bike shop's not open there anyway, so that's a waste of time, but it's Sunday, isn't it? I'm surprised at Webb's because, you know, a lot of people about on the weekend. Yeah, I was on the cat's eyes. I was don't know, I just drifted over a bit and didn't mean to. I thought, oh, cat's eyes. Don't off-check your bike though, it knocks you over. Shall we go Horncastle from here? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, I don't know if this is the way, but okay. Yeah, it is actually. Yeah. Well, I don't know, I've just seen it come on. I thought, well, if we're going that way, it might as well come this way. Some nice bends. I meant to change the settings to see if you was right with the bike thing. Forgot to do it. You can't do it on the move, can you? Okay. I'm down to 155. Yeah. Oh, that's true. Going round, baby. Yeah, there's a car coming. You'll see when you get round. I'll leave you to it because you know what you're doing. I'll slow down for you anyway, don't worry. I'll have to stop telling you how to, you know, whatever the I'll just leave it to you, really. I don't do it on purpose. I just your safety more than same as me. Right, where do we go up here? Is it straight on? Straight on. Yeah. Oh yeah, of course it is. Yeah. It's not really staggered that much, is it? Yeah, not on this bit today. Yeah, near straight over. Right, babe, I'm going. Yep. That's the one that goes to Doncaster that way, isn't it? No? Yeah, sorry, Lincoln, I meant to say. Past Rugby Guns. I always forget. This comes out on that junction, doesn't it? Yeah, I know what you mean. It's alright. I ain't been down this one for a while. You forget, don't you, unless you try them out. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that aerial. I can't believe he's had that bike in the shed for 14 years. Bloody hell. Would you climb that, babe? Well, I meant with the height. It would be right up there. That is a long way up. Oh, I keep looking at it and I shall be watching where I'm going. Riding what? Your knees? If you go up the stairs? Oh, right. Okay. It's just because we're getting older, that's all it is. Alright. Few flies about. Some nice scenery though. Can I get past here or not? Oh yeah, there is, isn't there? I could see, but I didn't know whether to go. I might have got past two, but horses down there. a shit road for visibility. Can you see, baby? Oh, it's alright. Yeah, I'll slow down for you, don't worry. Yeah, there's a load of stuff coming, a load of bends up here. Losing signal a bit, but hopefully he'll get past him up here. Once you get past out these bends, look. Good. Oh shit there, babe, what's the shit on that thing? I just caught my front wheel on it. In that gateway, just on the bend. Just got my wheel on there then. Luckily it didn't go far. I was looking at the sign on that side and just got my wheel on it. Which one? Oh, I didn't even see one. No. There's some shit down here that's washed off. No wonder I got my bloody wheel on it. Must have been some right floods. It's an old Triumph, isn't it? Oh, fucking some dirty fucking pigeon or something just shit on me thing again, unless it's it might be a fly or something. Big fly. It's like, looks like bird shit, but it's just splattered. You okay? Yeah. This road's a steady one, isn't it? Oh yeah. No, I meant, you know, I tried. Trouble is, I don't know, and I don't know where that junction is. Just past one road surface that was bad. See, I'd have gone past there, but there's a push bike coming. Car coming now, anyway. I could see so far, and then sports cars you got to worry about because they're so low. Yeah. God, I can't see out. Must be close to that. Must be a junction coming up somewhere. Where's the fucking junction? That's down to wood or store to wood or whatever it's called. out and wood. Bit shit here, maybe. Oh, is it? It's just shit on the road, look. It's just washed it all in the wrong places. Yeah, I did catch my wheel on one bit. Because I was looking at this road sign and then I didn't see it in front of me. I mean, it weren't going very fast anyway, but just shows you how bad it is when you get it under your wheel. The next one you're going to have to, next one you're going to have is when the corn's being done. That's lethal stuff, that is. Be careful then when that happens. It won't be long before that's being harvested in places. Cars, baby. Holiday makers on the jollies. Okay, baby. Horses. Oh, sorry, I should have said in there, but... These do a lot of Volkswagen stuff, don't they? What? What, up here? Oh no, I didn't see it. You sure it said closed? It don't look closed here. I didn't even see the sign, so... Maybe, I don't know, I can't remember, but we'll soon find out. Onions must have been in that trailer. Can't do it here, so it's just a solid white line, but sorry, baby, because I just left you a bit there, but yeah, I know you're not far away. Yeah, exactly. I nearly didn't myself. I thought, oh wait. Is it this junction or is it the next one? Oh, is it keep going? Oh, of course it is. Yeah, I forgot. Was it that far down then? I thought it was up here. I thought it was here, I did. People don't really see you. Yeah. It's like this one here, isn't it? Look, got to squeeze through anyway. 2 cars, baby. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. I thought it was, what's his name, who was selling the, what's his name, he moved, what was his name? Not Rod Speed. Oh, this one, innit? So I nearly went past the fucker then. I got too excited, baby. Yeah. Got my speed up, a lovely straight road, and then I realised I got turned. I can't think of his name. The one I went to look at, well, I asked him about the bike for the bobber. Can't forget his name now. Anyway, he said he weren't interested, likes. Oh, it's a bit further up, innit? What's that? Oh, it's a Jag. Oh, so I'm not buying a Jag, am I? Woohoo! God, I got some speed on then. That'll do me. We'll park over here then. Yeah, anyway, do you want me to move over? Can you squeeze in, or are you going to stop there? Oh, I'm doing alright, you're alright. Okay, next moto. We could have gone over there, actually. Couldn't we? Could have gone over there. You like it here? But there is some bikes over there too. You know, bro.